Students, hope you have completed 2.6 exercise, which was based on multiplication of decimal numbers. So now we are to the end of the topic, that is division of decimal numbers, and based on which will be your exercise 2.7. Now, talking about division of decimal numbers, first is the type when you divide the decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So, whenever you divide any decimal number by 10, in multiplication, when you were multiplying with 10, 100, thousands, your point was shifting to the right, depending upon the number of zeros. In division, your point will be shifting towards the left, depending on the number of zeros. For example, it is 31.5 divided by 10. So this is 1 0. Here to the one place it will be shifting. This will be 3.15. Point will be shifted towards the left. How many zeros? 2. Will be shifting 2 places here to the left. So this will be 0.315. Then is 31.5 divided by 1000. How many zeros? 3 zeros. This will be shifting towards the left before 3 digits. So this will be 0.0315. Now how many zeros? 4 zeros. So point will be shifting before 4 digits towards the left. So this will be 0.00315. Yes. Now second is division of a decimal number by whole number. Now suppose you are dividing this 6.4 divided by 2. This is a decimal number. Now any decimal number I will represent by divided by 10, divided by 100, divided by 1000. It depends upon where the point is placed. Now 6.4, it is placed before one digit. So I will write 64 by 10 divided by 2. Now it comes the concept of division of two fractions, what we have learned it. So when you divide two fractions, first fraction will remain as it is. Division will be replaced by multiplication, and second we will take the reciprocal. So first step, when you are dividing any decimal with a whole number, decimal should be converted into fraction. You have to remove the point. For removing the point, you have to either divide by 10, 100, thousands. It depends where the point is placed. If it is placed before one digit, this will be 6 by divided by 10. If it is placed before two digits, it will be divided by 100. So now this becomes your fractional part. So 232. So this is 32 by 10. So 1 divided 1 0. So point will be placed before one digit. So answer will be 3.2. Now second, 3.96 divided by 4. In this, before two digit point is placed. So first I will convert this into fraction by dividing by 100. So 396 divide by 100 divided by 4 by 1. Now it becomes division of two fractions. How to solve? First fraction will remain as it is. Multiply by, you have to take the reciprocal of second fraction. Now it goes directly, 4 9s are 36, 3 9. So this will be 99 by 100. So this will be 0.99. So second one, 0.80 divided by 5. 0.80, before two digits point is placed, you can write as 80 by 100 divided by 5. Again, concept of division. First fraction will remain as it is, multiplied by 1 by 5. So here it will go by 5. 16. So 16 by 100 is equal to, 16 by 100 is 0.16. Two digits, two zeros. Before two digits, the point will be there. Yes. Now, third part is division of decimal number by decimals. These two are decimals. So, you have to convert both the decimal numbers in terms of fraction. Either divide by 10, 100, 1000 depending on the point. Now, how you can write 25.5? Before one digit, the point is placed. So, to remove that, so this will be 255 divided by 10. How you will write 0.5? This will be 5 by 10. Right? Again, division of fractions. Converted. So, 255 divided by 10 into 10 by 5. Now, 10 get cuts here. This will be 50, 5 5s are 25. This will be 51. Right? Now, second is 37.8 divided by 1.4. Again, you can write 378 divided by 10. 37.8. Then is 1.4. You can write as 14 by 10. Yes. Now, first fraction will remain as it is, multiplied by 10 by 14. So, will it go by 14? We will check, or directly go by, do by 2. Yes, this comes out to be 27. Divided by 2 is 7 here. 18 2s are 36, 9. 7 2s are 14, it is 7 7s are 49, 27. Now, third is 2.73 divided by 1.3. Now, how to write 2.73? Before two digit points is placed, means 2 zeros. So, I have to divide 273 divide by 100 and 13, 1.3, you can write it as 13 by 10. Again, division of fractions, do it. So, 273 divide by 100, take the reciprocal, you can cut it here. Yes, divide by 2 is, if you, it goes by 13 directly. So, this will be 13 ones are, yes, so 21 by 10, that is 2.1. Easy. So, if this concept is clear, you can automatically do the division of decimal by whole numbers and decimal by decimal. Now, we will be starting with exercise 2.7. It is based on these three concepts. If it is clear, you will understand very easily this exercise. Now, 0.4 divided by 2. How you can write 0.4 divided by 2? 0.4 how you can write? 4 divided by 10. Before one digit it is placed. Divided by 2. So, division of fractions, 1 by 2. Take the reciprocal. So this will be 2 by 10 or 0.2. Easy. Now second one. Before 2 digits the point is placed. Remove the point. That means 35 is divided by 100. Divided by 5. So this will be again concept of fractions. 35 by 100 into 1 by 5. So this will be 7 by 100. 7 by 100. 2 zeros means before 2 digits to the left points will be shifted. Answer will be 0.07. Third one, 2.48 divided by 4. So 248 by 100 I can express it. Before 2 digits point is there. Divided by 4. Concept of division of fractions. First will remain as it is. Multiplied by 1 by 4. So this goes by 4 directly. So this is 62 by 100. Before 2 digits, the point will be placed. 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 8. This is your answer. 62 by 100 means before 2 digits. If you want, you can add one step, 62 by 100. Then fourth one, 65.4 divided by 6. Before 1 digit point is placed. So I can write 654 divided by 10 divided by 6. Again, first will remain as it is. Multiplied by 1 by 6. It goes by 6 directly. So this will be 109. 109 divided by 10. 10 before 1 digit the point will be placed. Answer will be 10.9. Yes. Now fifth one. 65.12 divided by 4. Before 1 digit point is placed, remove that. Divide by 10. Now take the reciprocal. So this will be directly it goes by 4. 1 4. If I divide 6512 by 4, 1 4 2 6 4s are 24. 1 4 2s are 8. Yes, it is 1628 divided by 10. So before 1 digit, this will be 162.8. Yes. Now question 6. 14.49 you can write before 2 digits. So divided by 100 divided by 7. Again first will remain as it is, multiplied by the reciprocal. So this will be 7 2s are 14, 207 divided by 100. This will be 2.07. Okay. After these are 7th and 8th. I have solved examples over here. So same way you have to solve. Okay. How I have solved here. Now is question 2. Very simple. 4.8 divided by 10. Or every number is divided by 10, it will be shifted to one place. So this will be 0.48. Here it will be shifting towards left. 5.25 to one place. 0.07. So this will be 3.31. Again one place, 27.223. Again 0.56 divided by 10 towards one place. This will be 0.056 and 3.97 divided by 10. Again towards shift towards left one place. So 0.397. Now question 3 is also same. Everything is divided by 100. So I will just write it very fast. Question 3. Find .7 divided by 100. Second, everything is divided by 100. So it will shift 2 places towards left. Fourth, 2.6 by 100. Fifth, yes, now 2 places, 2 zeros are there, means towards left it will be shifting by 2 places. So this will be 0.027. 0.3 divided by 100, shifting left towards 2 places. So this will be 0.003. 2 zeros shifting towards left but 2 places. So this will be 0.0078. Towards left before here. So this will be 4.326. 2 places here. So 0.236. And again 2 places towards the left. This will be 0.9853. Yes. So question 3 is very simple. By 10 it is shifting by 1 place. By 100 it is shifting by 2 place. And by 1000 it is shifting by 3 place. Here you have to remember no number is there, means you have to consider as 0. So question 1, 2, 3 I have finished. In next I will finish question 4, 5 and 6. Thank you.